y'all. So new jacket hoodies. Anyways, I realized I didn't give you guys any update for my laser treatment. My first experience was terrible. And when I say terrible, it has nothing to do with the pain or the whole laser treatment. No. Story time. Anyways, got the laser treatment. First of all, pain was like a 2 out of 10. The part that was terrible for me, y'all, why did I go to these people's place? No freaking wallet, no money. I was so embarrassed, and she kept looking at me. I didn't know what to say because I was on the phone trying to get somebody to Apple Pay me because I had took my cards off. I took my cards off my Apple wallet. So I'm like, oh my god, it's a good thing that I live in the area. So I was telling her, you know, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Could I leave my pocketbook, you know, at security, that I'm coming back to pay her? Because one thing about it, I ain't gonna run off on nobody after getting the service. I don't know how these bitches be doing it, getting their hair done, getting their nails done, and they be skedaddling out the people's place. So I insisted on leaving my bag, and she kept telling me, no, it's okay, I believe you. But like, who's really gonna leave their Louis Vuitton bag and not come back? Not me. And it's not like I'm an old client. This is my first day. You're just meeting me, you're getting to know me, and how did you figure like I'm so trustworthy? But when I tell y'all, I sped off so fast to get back home. Then I went to the bank, dropped the money, went back, and I tipped her really good. And also, before all of that happened, I couldn't really vlog much because she really didn't want me to. And I do respect people in their personal space, so I didn't really take it no type of way. But she did say next time I could. But like, when I tell my friend about what happened, she's like, this is after she gave the services? I'm like, yeah, girl. Hey y'all, so I'm headed to work, but before I go to work, I want to stop at Ulta because I want to pick up some skincare products. I did get a few stuff from the Black Friday sale. Hold on, y'all. But I'm leaving next week Wednesday, so I want to pick up some more stuff. Like, I need toner, and I think I probably need more eye patches. Not for my trip, but when I come off my trip, I think it's gonna be done. So I think it's best I just get one and call it a day. And I just want to see what other products they have because it's been a while since I've went in shop at. You niggas stick to my girl. She with a P in the lid, the condo. We bout to eat Maggiano. Up in the piazza, beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Broncos. So these are the products that I got, y'all. Initially I wanted a Cali toner, but they didn't have any. And this one's like really cute. It's a Hello Kitty, and I got this Good Molecules Daily Brightening Syrup. And they didn't have no damn bags, y'all. So this is how I walked out the store. But I'm late for work. Supposed to be work at 2 o'clock. It's 1:40, and it takes me at least 35 minutes to get to work. But I'm gonna play my music because once my music is on, baby, this the F1, okay? About to NASCAR up in this bitch. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I got a bunch of packages, and I also have my Ulta purchase from the Black Friday sale I want to show you guys. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. Actually, I should show you guys what I got from Ulta first. This is what I got from the Black Friday sale. The La Roche-Posay. This is for dry skin because my skin, like I always tell people, is as dry as the Sahara Desert. And then I got more of my Bakuchi oil. This thing right here, y'all, is tea. Like, if you have dry ass skin, that right there is what you need. This is a card. I'm not really going to show you guys what's on it because I'm trying to do something really nice for, you know, my peoples. And then some confetti balloon. Oh wow. So I had to re-up on my body wash. The other one is not really done, but I like when I'm traveling, I have new things. Wait, what the hell is this? Y'all, hold on a second. Never mind, y'all. It's this. Okay, I think this is the I love you sign, and this is the screen protector for my new camera. So this is a micro SD card that this camera uses. For some reason, the one that I have is not really compatible with the camera. It still works and it still records, but it keeps giving me like a warning sign, and that shit is so annoying. I think this is like the artificial rose petals. I got some light and some black balloons, and I'm gonna like set up the room and everything. Hopefully it comes out cute. So that's my little haul, y'all. And I have a wig to wash, and I also need to pack my suitcase. It's 95% packed. I just need to put these things in it. And I don't know for a fact I'm gonna be overweight, but it is what it is. That's that. And also tomorrow I'm gonna have to go get a pedicure. So let me pick up this trash, go figure out my suitcase situation, and get my freaking life together. I just got done putting the items that I showed you guys in my luggage, and I totally forgot that I had to pack my balloon pumper, and I don't know how it's gonna fit. I think I'm gonna do medicine here tonight. I'm gonna put me on a show to watch. I'm currently watching Elite. Comment down below what you guys are watching right now. Probably go to my bed after because I already ate dinner. And why is my phone tripping? What the hell? Apple, you could do whatever you want to this phone. I ain't getting a new phone, so whatever that was, gonna stay that way. I don't think I'm gonna get my toes done with the Asians anymore. I constantly have to like make some adjustments. Like I have to file my own nails, I have to clip it the shape that I want. It's just too much sometimes, and I'm big on doing shit myself, so yeah. Hey y'all, Blondie checking in. Okay, unfortunately I have to work before I leave to go wherever I'm going, and I didn't get to do my nails last night. I wanted to do them the day off, so yeah. And this person been itching up under me. Like, I'm not trying to race. Like, today's not the day to race. I have a night flight. I normally don't like night flights, but it is what it is. I'm gonna just wrap up my head just like this, go to the airport, and I'm gonna stay like that on the plane. Normally I don't go to the airport like this because I feel like it's kind of tacky. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, to each his their own. Anyways, let me play my music and get to work in one piece. So this the outfit, y'all. Nothing crazy, just have this leather pants that I got from Shein. And when was y'all gonna tell me Shein bodysuit is actually better than Zara? And if you own a Zara bodysuit, then you know we deal with the roly-poly-olies and the underneath thing that keeps coming up here. But this right here, I'm gonna have to get more because I only bought one. Wearing my favorite coat, which every time I wear it, people be thinking I'm rich. I ain't rich yet, but I'm claiming it. And my Air Forces. So, yeah. And to top it off, y'all, I'm wearing my Prada shades that I took from my mom, which she's not getting back. So, mom, if you're watching this, you already know the vibes. You ain't getting it back. So, yeah, that's me, y'all. But this blonde hair won't stay down. was freaking crazy. Okay, crazy. So I stopped at this restaurant to get something to eat because I haven't ate all day. I ordered me a Moscow mule and a flatbread, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. Yeah, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkers, how you did that? Your LV back turn to a legit, how you did that? I seen that back turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got fresh stones in love with a West, how you did that? You hit some sketches in your glasses, why you did that? How you do that slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hop it around the two to make the pillows in the back. It's got too many bags on this. I think I might have lost my bag because I've been sitting here for at least 20 minutes. Everybody left and my bag's still not on. Like, what the hell? That has never happened to me. Hey guys, good morning. Shakera reporting live from British Columbia. And y'all, it's beautiful out here. Like the streets compared to America got nothing over this place. Like it's so clean. Like I could drop my chicken outside on the street and pick it up and just eat it. Like that's how clean it is. And another thing, where I'm at now, we're 3 hours behind from New York. And I don't know if I told you guys that my bag, they left it at the last airport that I was at, but they emailed me saying it's here and they're about to drop it off. I'm in my man's clothes right now, but I wanted to hurry up and get here because I'm trying to do like a little nice setup for him. He get off work like around 4 or 5. I think I'm gonna start setting up at 2, and I also want to cook. So I just got done doing my makeup and my hair because we're going out tonight. But remember last night when I set up, y'all? Look what I did. Hold on, don't look yet. Oh, hold on, y'all. Come sell bati right now. Sell bati right now. Come sell it. Come. So it's been a couple of days since I've been back home, y'all, and I've honestly been out of it. And if you've been in a LDR, then you understand. But just like I'm just like super down, and I wouldn't say I'm depressed, but I just be wanting to break down. Like right now, I could feel the tears. But I'm gonna keep my big girl panties on. We're not about to do that on camera. But I literally roll out of bed. Even that too, like since I got back, I just been sleeping. And it's just like I'm super drained. I don't know if it has anything to do with the time difference, because where I was at, it was 3 hours behind. So I don't know. About to brush my teeth, do my skincare, and when I was over there, I didn't get to dermaplane on Saturdays and do my mask because I normally dermaplane and mask on Saturdays. So I'm gonna do that now. And also, y'all, the new skincare products that I got, baby, love. Okay, love. But the only thing is, with this, the La Roche-Posay, bitch, don't come for me. Yeah, this thing, I wish it would have sudsed more. It gives like a gel consistency. So I'm on the hunt for a new cleanser. Right now I'm eyeing the, I think it's Youth of the People, some shit like that, the Careless Spinach Wash. And then so this one, y'all, I was never ever planning to get this ever, because it's a daily brightening serum. I'm already light skinned, ain't shit on my face I'm trying to brighten. And then this, y'all, oh my god, this, I didn't think I was gonna love this as much as I do. Like, it's really good. I feel like all the other toners that I've ever tried is shit compared to this. This you need. And the lady told me don't use it every day, but bitch, this is my skin. I'm gonna do what I need to do. I use it every day. She claims it's gonna be harsh on the skin. It's really not. So use at your own discretion. And this, oh my god, I wish someone told me about this sooner. And I really didn't do any research on this. I was just calling through Ulta, and I'm like, I really need moisturizer because I'm going on this trip. I need it today. And it says glass skin, and we are all going for glass skin. So I picked this up, and the texture on the face is so amazing. Like, it's so bomb. And it hasn't been a full week yet since I've used it, but so far I'm loving it. So yeah, that's my little new skincare products review. Oh, and one more thing, I got these from Amazon because I was using the Clean Skin towel wipes. I did not love them shits. They smell like the factory, and I felt like they were breaking on my skin. Like right now, the little bumps that I had right here, they're gone. These are only $4 on Amazon. Like, they are bomb, and they don't smell no type of way. I bought matching PJs for Madison and I, and they been came. I just didn't open it because, like I said, I've been in a rut. So I'm gonna go open those now for you guys. And I look scary as fuck. Ooh, the material feels so good, y'all. And I should really wash my face, so I look really hideous right now. So this is my, wait, what? This small looks big as hell, and my friend's calling me. Hey, best friend. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, Kelowna babes.
I'm here showing them my matching pajamas. But you say you want to see? Okay. Madison came with socks and mine didn't. I don't like that for me.